How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80072F17. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Network Troubleshooter. The Network Troubleshooter is an automated tool built into Windows that detects and resolves network issues. Error 0x80072F17 could arise due to network connectivity problems, making this tool potentially useful. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter for store apps. This tool scans for issues and implements automatic fixes, potentially resolving issues related to Microsoft Store. If that didn't work, fix 3. Run SFC and DISM. System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, are tools that can detect and repair corrupted system files, which might be causing the error. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 4. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Resetting the Microsoft Store cache can often resolve issues related to the store's operation. Here are the steps to do it. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.